Alright, chapter 10.1 is the title of our notes. 10.1. Okay, this is going to be stem and leaf plots. Okay, so chapter 10.1, stem and leaf plots. Okay, pretty short notes today. A stem and leaf plot uses digits of data values to organize a data set. Okay, so for example, if we have, I'm going to give you the example in a different color here. Okay, if we have cell phone call lengths. Okay, so we have a data set that gives us a variety of different lengths of phone calls. So we're going to say here is the stem. Okay, we're going to make kind of a T-chart is what it kind of looks like. Okay, stem and leaf plots are very similar to a T-chart. Over here on the other side, in another color here, we have our leaf. Okay, so the key with a stem and leaf plot is over here on the left side, the stem is going to be in order vertically, okay, and the stem values are less than 10. Okay, so if we could have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so all of these right here represent our first digit of a value. Okay, the numbers that follow on the other side are going to be the digits that follow. So for example, we could have a 2 here. So this number right here would represent 2. Okay, we could also have a 5, or sorry, a 3, a 5, and a 6. Okay, so what this would represent is we have 1, 2, 3, 4 different phone calls. Okay, a phone call of 2 minutes in length, 3 minutes in length, 5 minutes in length, and 6 minutes in length. Okay, then on the 1 place we have a 0, a 4, and an 8. So now this represents a phone call 10 minutes in length, 14 minutes in length, and 18 minutes in length. Okay, we could have a 3 and a 3. Okay, so we have 2 20s. We have a 0 and a 6 for the 30s. We have no 40s and 1 in the 50s. Okay, so let's make a little key for ourselves down here at the bottom. For an example, 1 with a line and then a 4 equals 14 minutes. Okay, so the leaves are written horizontally Okay, and our stems our stem values are written vertically. Okay, so the only thing that we have to make sure that we can identify is just that in a stem and leaf plot, okay, it's a way for us to organize our data, and in order to save space, okay, so we are, for all of the numbers that are less than 10, we put a 0. So all of these are just single digit numbers, okay, 2, 3, 5, and 6. Okay, all of these digits now represent the tens place. Okay, so we have a 10, a 14, and an 18. Okay, so how many pieces of data do we actually have in this data set? Well, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, you can always count up on the leaf side. That will always tell you how many pieces of data that you have. Just make sure that you understand that the data is not just these numbers on their own. Okay, they are always combined with their tens place value. So, I want you to practice. I'm going to put a stem and leaf plot data set up on the board. Okay, I'm going to put 2 of them, and I want you to create a stem and leaf plot, and then I want you to find the mean, the median, and the mode of those stem and leaf plots.